Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of drones and action cameras as we explore the DJI Avata 3, its newly confirmed specifications, expected price range, release date, and additional surprises from DJI, including the compact Osmo Nano wearable camera. After months of silence, wild speculation, and endless drone rumors, we finally have solid information about the DJI Avata 3. And no, this isn't just another random, low-quality leak floating around the internet. This comes directly from trusted DJI insider Igor Bogdanov, who has built an excellent reputation over the years for providing accurate DJI updates. With this leak, the DJI Avata 3 season officially begins. All previous guesses and scattered reports were just the warm-up. This is where things start to get real. Let's begin with what most drone enthusiasts are asking: when will DJI release the Avata 3? If you look at DJI's past release cycle, the original DJI Avata launched in September 2022, followed by the DJI Avata 2 in April 2024, creating a predictable 19-month gap between the two versions. If DJI sticks to this pattern, we can reasonably expect the DJI Avata 3 to hit the market somewhere between October 2025 and March 2026. However, based on industry insider reports and DJI's usual product rhythm, the most likely release window seems to be between November 2025 and January 2026. If you're planning to upgrade your FPV drone setup, the DJI Avata 3 might just be waiting for you around the corner. From the first leaked visuals, it's clear that the Avata 3's design shares some DNA with the Avata 2. Even though the prototype is covered in labels and testing stickers, and a noticeable cable is visible on the drone body, it's already apparent that DJI is sticking to the compact and aerodynamic look that has made the Avata series so popular among FPV drone pilots. But don't let the similar appearance fool you. Under the hood, the DJI Avata 3 is rumored to bring some groundbreaking upgrades. Point 1. Upgraded camera system for cinematic drone shots. One of the most exciting changes is the camera. The DJI Avata 2 was already impressive with its 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR. However, the Avata 3 is expected to feature a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. Expect better color depth, sharper image quality, and far superior low-light performance. DJI is likely to include advanced color profiles, raw video capture, and possibly improved post-processing flexibility, perfect for both amateur filmmakers and professional aerial cinematographers who want cinematic FPV drone footage. Point 2. Extended flight time with advanced battery tech. Battery life is always a critical factor for FPV drones. The Avata 2 offered an impressive 23-minute flight time, but the Avata 3 is expected to push this even further. With improvements in battery technology, more energy-efficient motors, and refined power management, the Avata 3 could reach up to 30 minutes of flight time per charge. Point 3. Superior stabilization. Rocksteady meets mechanical gimbal stabilization is the heart of FPV flying experiences. DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems are already industry leaders, but the DJI Avata 3 is rumored to go even further. There's talk about enhanced electronic image stabilization combined with a mechanical gimbal, which would be a huge leap forward for FPV drones. A mechanical gimbal would allow for buttery smooth footage, even during sharp turns, fast dives, and aggressive freestyle flying. If you're a drone racer, a cinematic shooter, or simply someone who wants the best possible footage, this stabilization upgrade will make the Avata 3 the FPV drone to beat in 2025 and beyond. Point 4. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The DJI Avata 2's obstacle detection was functional but limited. DJI seems ready to solve this with the Avata 3's anticipated 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. This comprehensive collision avoidance technology would greatly improve the safety of FPV flights, especially in tight urban landscapes, dense forests, or when flying indoors. It also offers a safety net for beginner pilots who want to enjoy the FPV experience without constant fear of crashes. Point 5. Next-gen transmission system. O4 for ultra-low latency. DJI's O3 Plus transmission system in the Avata 2 already provides crisp, low-latency video feeds, but the O4 system rumored for the Avata 3 could offer even lower latency, greater range, and improved video quality. Point 6. Boosted speed and enhanced aerodynamics. The DJI Avata 3 is also expected to feature more powerful motors, lightweight materials, and aerodynamic refinements that will significantly improve its speed, maneuverability, and overall flight dynamics. Point 7. User-friendly features for all skill levels. DJI has consistently aimed to make their drones accessible to both newcomers and professional pilots. The Avata 3 could bring enhanced flight modes, intuitive controls, and possibly upgraded DJI RC Motion 3 controllers and DJI Goggles 3. There are also rumors of AI-powered flight assistance, subject tracking, automated cinematic flight paths, and gesture-based controls that would simplify complex shots and make cinematic FPV drone flying accessible to all users. In addition to the Avata 3, DJI is gearing up to disrupt the action camera market in 2025 with the Osmo Nano, a compact, modular, wearable camera. This new device is aimed squarely at competing with the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and the Insta360 Go 3S. However, DJI seems to be bringing a more refined design and better user experience to the table. The Osmo Nano features a two-part modular design, a top camera unit that appears slightly bulkier than the Insta360 Go 3S, likely to accommodate enhanced optics or better stabilization. A bottom module that houses the battery, microscreen, control buttons, and possibly speaker or microphone ports. This camera attaches magnetically to your chest via a wearable neck lanyard, making it perfect for hands-free point-of-view footage. It reportedly includes a flip-up screen for easy vlogging and selfie shooting. Key features expected: 4K video recording, Rocksteady 3.0 plus stabilization, DJI's seamless app integration. Release date and price: the Osmo Nano is rumored to launch on July 23, 2025. With an estimated price range between $300 and $400. Improvements over the Action 2. The Osmo Nano is expected to fix many of the shortcomings of the Action 2 by offering stronger magnetic connections, better durability for extreme sports, more reliable modular design. Expect the Osmo Nano to directly challenge GoPro's dominance by offering a wearable, versatile action camera that drone enthusiasts, vloggers, and adventure seekers will find incredibly useful. Confirmed technical specs and performance: FCC filings confirm that the Osmo Nano will consist of two separate units, model on 0001 for the camera, model OD 000001 for the display. The Osmo Nano is expected to support low-power wireless communication and extended battery life, possibly through interchangeable add-on modules. The camera will likely house a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 120 frames per second, which should offer excellent low-light performance, a feature DJI's action cameras have historically excelled at. With Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, the Osmo Nano is expected to deliver stable, high-quality footage even in fast-paced environments like mountain biking, snowboarding, or motorcycling. The Osmo Nano could also mark the beginning of DJI's broader strategy in the compact video gear market, as the company is reportedly developing a 360-degree camera this year to challenge Insta360 and GoPro's panoramic dominance. Final thoughts: the DJI Avata 3 promises to be a major leap forward in FPV drone technology. From its revolutionary camera system, extended battery life, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and groundbreaking O4 transmission system, to its user-friendly controls and cinematic flying modes, it seems DJI is ready to redefine the FPV flying experience once again.